had put on some wheel covers on here, but I kind of messed up on the other side, and it seems the measurements weren't quite right, so it ended up being closer to the wheel than I wanted it to, so we'll have to maybe cut that off and fix that, but that'll come. So linear actuator, main motor, we know it's too slow, so we're really just a test today. It's doing a pretty good job on the lawn here, so we're gonna finish the lawn today. Did some more programming, some safety features to keep this thing from jumping around, so while it's mowing, it'll half the speed, and then when the button is released, it'll gradually return to its normal speed. So like I said, the motor is too slow for throwing the grass forward, so we removed the back plate that I had in there before. We're going to try a different motor setup and see if that'll get me enough speed. It'll be a 12-volt setup with sim motors, as I stated before. For now, I got two 5-cell LiPos, giving me about 36 volts to the motor through the relay. Should be enough to finish the lawn. They're at 3,000 milliamp hours. So as far as my control, made some alterations. I put in a little relay board, still running a 3-cell LiPo inside. We'll probably change that out to lead acid and put a frame across the top to hold the batteries, or mount them on top of the wheel covers, one of the two. I also separated my XB and made it faster. It's faster to program that way because the onboard socket uses serial. The Mega has like total 4 serial ports, and you got serial 1, 2, and 3. The serial port is used for programming, and that's what that slot uses right there, is the first serial port. So and to order the program, I would have to remove the XB, program it, and then replace the XB. So it made more sense to use a remote port. So I'm using serial 1. So there's my LCD. It tells me when the remote is connected and not connected. Also, the flashing stopped. Gives me a readout of the motor temperature, which is going to be dual motors by the time I get done, so it'll be 2 temperatures there, along with battery voltage when I get my lead acid batteries and my voltage meter programmed correctly. Okay, so I'm working by myself, so I'm going to see if I can't control this thing and film at the same time. Usually doesn't work out too well, but we'll give it a good shot here. So here's how the reel engages. Right. So the first portion of my lawn's been cut, so we're going to run it down there to where it has not been cut, and give it a go. You see when I engage the motor, it'll slow down. Got a little hole right there, so that's going to be a bit difficult. Yeah. Right, so did the line, did a fairly good job. Needs to be adjusted a bit, but pretty pleased. Batteries seem to be lasting, so maybe I will go with two 18 amp hour lipos. I don't know. We'll have to see. All that running, ran it up to, let's see here, 127 degrees. So that's what the motor is reading right now. Sorry about the glare. So just that bit alone ran it up to 127 degrees. Overall, I'm pleased. There's some tweaks to be done. Blade to be sharpened probably a bit more, adjusted some faster speed so I don't have to rake the lawn like I do have to do now. But overall, I think it's done a fair job.